When it comes to making bread, there are so many different varieties out there, it's really easy to get overwhelmed. In this video, I'll walk you through a recipe that comes together very easily. You need a packet of instant yeast, 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and a cup and a half of warm water. Start out by mixing together your dry ingredients. I like to combine the flour, sugar, and yeast, and then add the salt. I'm using a dough whisk, but a regular wooden spoon would work just as well. You'll want to add your warm water in stages, maybe a third at a time, and mix it well after each addition. This is just a 50% hydration recipe, so it'll seem stiff at first, but just keep mixing it. By the time you've added the last of your water, you'll end up with what's called a shaggy dough. Use your whisk or spoon as long as you can, and then you'll have to get your hands dirty. Now remember, we're not kneading it, we're just sort of mashing it around in the bowl to get up all of the flour. The consistency you're going for is sort of well-mixed Play-Doh. You don't want very much flour left in the bowl, but it won't be perfectly clean. The whole process should take no longer than a few minutes. When you're done to about this stage, go ahead and cover it with a kitchen towel and set a timer for 30 minutes. Your total rise time for this recipe will be 1 hour. So after the first 30 minutes, you want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Put your Dutch oven or deep pot in your oven while it preheats so it's good and hot for the dough. This is what mine looks like, but my pot is yellow. When the dough has risen for 1 full hour, you want to tip it out onto a floured work surface like a counter and just roughly shape it into a ball. Very carefully place the dough ball into your hot Dutch oven and bake it covered for 30 minutes. After that, uncover it and bake it for another 15. After 45 minutes in the oven, your bread should look like this. It'll have a very crispy crust, so make sure you let it rest for at least 10 minutes before trying to cut into it. On the inside, it should look something like this, nice and soft like French or Italian bread. You should be able to get anywhere from 8 to 10 slices out of each loaf, and if you get 8, these are the macros. Not too bad for a hearty slice of homemade bread. Over the next couple of months or so, I'll play around with the recipe and see if I can't get more fiber and fewer calories in each piece. So drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Do you have a foolproof bread recipe? I'd love to hear from you.